If you're looking to automate payroll processing with Oyster, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to streamline your payroll workflow and save hours of manual work. By the end of this video, you'll be able to get up and running with Oyster's payroll features and ensure your team is paid accurately and on time with minimal effort. First things first. Oyster is a global employment platform that helps businesses hire, pay, and manage employees around the world. The software takes care of various aspects of payroll processing, making it a great choice for companies with distributed teams or international employees. So, if you're looking to automate payroll processing on Oyster, let me walk you through it step by step. To get started, you'll need to create an account on Oyster. Once you've signed up and set up your company profile, you can add employees to your payroll system. Oyster supports payroll automation in multiple countries, so you can rest assured that your payroll will be compliant with local laws and regulations. Once you've added your employees, the next step is to configure their payroll details. This includes setting up their pay rates, currency, and payment schedule. You can also input any deductions, bonuses, or other payroll components that need to be calculated. Oyster's platform makes it easy to input this information in a user-friendly interface, so you don't have to worry about confusing spreadsheets or manual calculations. Now, here's where the automation kicks in. With Oyster, you can automate the entire payroll process. All you need to do is set up your payroll schedule, and the system will handle the calculations and payments for you. The software will automatically calculate tax withholdings, social security contributions, and other deductions based on your employees' locations. Plus, Oyster will generate payslips and ensure that the correct payments are made on time. You'll also be able to track payroll history and make any necessary adjustments with just a few clicks. If you have any issues or questions, Oyster's support team is there to assist you. The platform also allows for integration with accounting software, so you can easily sync payroll data with your financial records. Another great feature of Oyster is its global coverage. Whether your employees are in the US, Europe, or Asia, Oyster's payroll system ensures that you remain compliant with local laws. This is especially useful for remote teams spread across multiple countries, as the software adapts to various tax rules and payroll structures. If you're wondering about the cost, here's a bonus for you. Oyster offers an exclusive extended free trial through the first link below. You can experience all of these features and more without any risk. This is a great opportunity to see how automation can save you time and improve your payroll process. To wrap up, automating payroll processing on Oyster is a game changer for businesses. With its easy setup, automated calculations, and global compliance, you can eliminate the headaches of manual payroll management. Don't forget to check out the exclusive extended free trial through the link below and start automating your payroll today.